Hey everyone, welcome back to TechVibes. We need to have a serious talk about your Firestick and your privacy right now. If you use a Fire TV device, you probably know that Amazon sends out updates all the time. Usually, we think updates are a good thing. They bring new features and fix bugs. But check this out. Something different is happening lately. Amazon has actually removed a major security setting from your device menu, and it is a total game changer in the worst way possible. You could be at risk of having your data shared without your permission, and most people have no idea this even happened. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to fix this and take back control of your information. Real quick, if you want to stay private and unlock more movies, grab a NordVPN subscription using my special link in the description below. The setting we are talking about is called cookie consent. In the past, you could just hop into your settings and toggle this off. But now it has completely vanished from the Firestick interface. This is super shady because that setting is one of the most important ones for your data privacy. It basically controls whether or not your information is bundled up and sent off to third-party advertisers. When this is turned on, they are essentially giving your digital footprint to other companies. No way do we want that happening. Since you can't find it on your TV anymore, I am going to walk you through the secret way to access it. To get this fixed, you actually need to step away from your TV for a second. You need to grab a computer or a tablet and go to the Amazon website. If you are using your phone, make sure you switch your browser to the full desktop site mode because the mobile version might hide these deeper settings. Once you are logged in, go to your account and look for an option called Manage Your Content and Devices. This is the master control panel for everything linked to your Amazon account. Once you are in that menu, look at the top bar and click on Privacy Settings. Then, you want to select Amazon Device Privacy. Now, you might be surprised by what you see. You will likely see a long list of every Fire Stick, Echo Dot, or tablet you have ever owned. Check this out. Even if you have 14 devices like some power users, you need to check them. Click on each device one by one. You will see those familiar toggles for device usage data and interest-based ads. But look closely for the one called Cookie Consent. This is the one they hid. When you read the fine print, it tells you that these cookies are used to track what you look at and even what you put in your shopping basket. But the kicker is the part where it says advertising approved third parties may also get this data. That is a huge red flag. You should go through every single device on your list and make sure cookie consent is switched to off. It is a total no-brainer if you want to keep your browsing habits private. While you are already in these web settings, there is another huge privacy win you can grab. Look for the Alexa privacy section. This is where Amazon stores your voice recordings. I highly recommend going into the section for managing your Alexa data and choosing the option to not retain recordings. This means your device won't keep a permanent library of everything you have ever said to it. It makes your whole smart home setup feel much more secure and private. Now that we've handled the web settings, let's jump back to the Fire Stick on your TV to double check some local settings. Head over to your settings, find the Preferences menu, and open up Privacy Settings. Make sure device usage data is off, collect app usage data is off, and definitely make sure interest-based ads is turned off. There is also a newer setting called Manage Sharing from Apps. Toggle that off immediately to stop sharing your app data. Unless you're on a limited plan, turn off data usage monitoring. This stops background processes and makes your interface feel super snappy. With these simple changes, your Fire Stick will be more private and much faster. Happy streaming! Next, while we are still in the Preferences menu, look for Featured Content. You want to turn off both Allow Video Autoplay and Allow Audio Autoplay. Not only is it annoying when trailers start blasting the second you turn on your TV, but it also uses up a ton of processing power. When you turn these off, your home screen will load way faster, because the processor isn't struggling to stream video in the background. One more pro tip before we wrap up. Go back to your main settings and enter the Applications menu. Look for something called Automatic Offload. You should turn this off right away. If this is on, Amazon will automatically delete apps from your device if you are running low on storage. The problem is they usually pick on third-party apps first. Since we just turned off all that data monitoring, the system doesn't actually know which apps you use the most. You don't want the device making executive decisions about what to delete from your storage. It is much better to manage that yourself. By following these steps, you are locking down your device and making sure your private data stays private. It is a bit of a hassle that Amazon moved these settings to the website, but it is worth the 5 minutes to fix it. Staying on top of these changes is the only way to keep your tech running the way you want it. Thanks for watching TechVibes. If you found this helpful, make sure you are looking out for these hidden updates. I will see you in the next one.